Good morning, and thank you for joining me. I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk, and this is your national weather forecast for Saturday, December the 27th. For millions of Americans heading home after the Christmas holiday, and weather is the top story for today. I'm tracking the aftermath of a major winter storm in the Northeast and dangerous lake effect snow in the Great Lakes, and a new moisture loaded system moving into the West. Let's start in the Northeast. The powerful winter storm that slammed the I-95 corridor on Friday is now moving into Canada, Maritimes, but it's leaving behind plenty of travel problems. New York City, northern New Jersey, and the southwest Connecticut are digging out from 4 to 9 inches of heavy wet snow. Snow removal operations are ongoing, especially in the urban and suburb areas. Lingering snow showers and wraparound flurries continue from the Boston through the coastal Maine. Skies remain mostly cloudy with a limited melting. Major airports across the region are dealing with delays and cancellations even. If you're driving, watch out for black ice, a serious concern, especially on untreated roads and bridges. Temperatures have struggled to climb with highs in some areas stuck near 29 degrees. Behind that departing storm, a blast of Arctic air is pouring across with the relatively warm waters of the Great Lakes, and that's a classic setup for intense lake effect snow. Winter weather advisories are in effect for the snow belts of western New York, including Buffalo and Watertown, northern Michigan especially. Travel along the Interstate 90 and I-96 could become dangerous very quickly. Sudden snow squalls may produce near whiteout conditions with very little warning. Bottom line here is conditions can change fast, so slow down and be alert. Now let's head south, where the story is very different depending on where you are. It's a beautiful winter day from Atlanta to Charlotte. Expect sunshine, dry conditions, and seasonally temperatures. Great weather for being outdoor plans or even traveling. A warm, soupy air mask is in place this morning. Dense fog is likely from the Houston to New Orleans, potentially slowing early morning travel. Fog could gradually lift, with highs climbing into the upper 60s to low 70s, and very mild for late December. Out west, I'm watching a new Pacific system pushing inland. Seattle and Portland can expect steady rain through the day, and roads will be wet, and visibility may be reduced at times. In the Sierra Nevada and northern Rockies, several inches of fresh snow are expected, although that's great for the ski resorts, but you'll need chains if you're going across the mountain passes. Let's take a look at what's ahead for Indiana and Ohio, because we've got some big changes coming as we move through the weekend. Strong winds may occur with a line of showers along a cold front that will cross the area Sunday night. Isolated damaging winds are possible after the cold front passes. Wind gusts greater than 40 miles per hour are likely late Sunday night through Monday. We'll start with Saturday morning with a morning temperature of 42 degrees, where you may run into patchy fog before 10 a.m., so allow a little extra time if you're heading out early this morning. After that, mostly cloudy skies, a high near 49 degrees. Calm winds coming southeast around 6 miles per hour during the afternoon. Overall, not a bad day once this fog lifts. Saturday night, clouds stay locked in. Chance rain after 1 a.m. Low around 42, southeast winds around 7 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 30%. Sunday is the wettest day of the forecast. Periods of rain throughout the day. High near 64 degrees. South winds at 7 to 13 miles per hour, gusting up to 24 miles per hour. Rain chances at 90%, and rainfall amounts between a tenth and 1/4 of an inch. And Sunday night, here's where things change quickly. Rain continues early, then mixes with and changes to snow showers. The low dips down to around 27 degrees. And southwest winds 13 to 17 miles per hour, turning west overnight. Wind gusts as high as 36 miles per hour and snow accumulation under a half inch. Monday, showers mainly before 7 a.m. with a high near 29 degrees. Breezy conditions, snow chances of 80%, and additional snow under a half inch. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 16 degrees. Tuesday, looking at partly sunny with a high near 26 degrees. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 21. And Wednesday, partly sunny with a high near 32 degrees. Wednesday night, looking at a chance of snow showers, low of 16 degrees, and looking at a 40%. We go from fog and mild temperatures this weekend to rain, wind, and a return to snow and colder air as we head into early next week. That's your extended forecast for Indiana and Ohio. Thanks for watching Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Stay safe, stay warm, and I'll see you next time.